We've got a nice cool morning here in Mendocino, and we're going to be sampling our Chenin Blanc that's here. We're getting some numbers that are all over the place from samples, so we're going to take a big sample this morning and kind of see what it's all about. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dong, dong, dong. That is not the most scientific method of sampling, but it is a method, and it's important that you stay consistent with what you're doing so you can try to get a good picture of the entire block here. We are done for the morning here in beautiful, so beautiful, Mendocino, and we're going to take those samples down to the winery, run them, check the numbers, taste the juice, and see when to schedule the pick.